got company.
What?
It's called evasive driving, sweetheart. There's things all over the place. How do you drive these things anyways?
Honey, let me drive.
I got it.
Move over. Move. I'm the suburban housewife, sweetheart. You move.
Fine, go. Go.
Go.
Go.
Go. They're bulletproof!
They're bulletproof! Hey, honey, I should probably tell you. I was married once before. Are you out of your mind? What is wrong with you?
You're what's wrong with me.
Drunk in Vegas.
Oh, that's better.
Stop.
Oh, that's much
Stop.
better. That's
Stop.
great.
Stop it. Go, go, go!
What's her name and social security number?
No, you're not gonna kill her. Doors are handy. You know, sweetheart, you're being a bit hypocritical. It's not like you're some beacon of truth.
John, my parents? They died when I was 5. I'm an orphan.
Who was that kindly fellow who gave you away at our wedding?
Paid actor?
I said I saw your dad on Fantasy Island.
I know.
You know, I don't even want to talk about it.